Getting a little feisty. All right, folks. We're deciding here. Let the chickens get some range in time. I just wanted to take a moment to try to persuade everybody to get outdoors, to try to be more self-sufficient, self-reliant. As we all know, times are getting harder. There's craziness all over the world, near and far. The more basic we can become, the better we'll be. Let's learn to appreciate the little things in life, appreciate what we got. Spend time with those that we love. And not take anything for granted. I myself, along with many others, believe that there's a storm on the horizon. So everybody try to prep. If you're able to make a homestead so you can become more self-reliant, that's great. But everything that we can do to become more self-sufficient is the best. I hope this was a peaceful, inspirational video. Y'all hit that thumbs up, drop a comment, and subscribe for outdoors. We do everything outdoors, folks. Preparedness, homesteading, storm chasing, hiking, camping, you name it, boating. We got a whole bunch of stuff that we're still going to be doing with this channel. So subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the outdoors. And be ready for anything wild.